everyone, so today I'm going to show you cool tone colors, what to use. For cool tone, if you are cool tone, your vein color is blue, so you'll find that this kind of color, I got this from Huda, nude color. This one is very good for cool tone ladies. You will look very good in this kind of color. You can see it has a pink undertone, so pink undertone ladies, you are cool tone color and you can use this color. So if you are neutral tone, you can use any color that you want to. Just want to reiterate that. So today I'm going to use this eyeshadow color. You can use for your pink tone, and then I'm going to use for pink tone ladies, I'm going to use all this pinkish lipstick, okay, and then this kind of lipstick, different pinkish tone lipstick color that you can see, okay, and then I even have this from Sephora, this lipstick. So this kind of pink color is suitable for pink tone ladies. So pink tone ladies, usually they are very fair, but some of them are quite tan. Like if you look at those who can wear blueberry kind of lipstick color, like Opera is cool tone as well, so that's why you can see she can pick up very blueberry lipstick color. So I'm going to show you how do I do my eyeshadow for the pink tone color, for cool tone colors, okay? So I'm going to just color my brows first. So those who have brows, difficult in drawing brows, I recommend they go for embroidery. So if you want my friend's embroidery contact, I'll put it below the link as well. And then just quote my name, and then she will know that you're my client. Okay. So usually for pink tone, undertone, it also depends on your hair color, whether your hair color is ash green, ash mint. If you are hair color is black, it's also cool tone. So it really depends on your skin tone and your hair colors. You also affect your undertone. Okay. So I just want to draw. Okay, cool. Alright, so I'm done with my brows. So next I'm going to show you my eyeshadow color. So because we're going for pink cool tone today, so I'm going to do the cool tone. I'm going to use this pinkish tone. This eyeshadow blush, I bought it because sometimes I do bridal makeup, so I use it on my client, and usually they wear like white color gown, so they look extremely good. This pink tone kind of eyeshadow color. So for brides who are warm tone, normally you will pick ivory white. For brides who are cool tone, you will pick white, yeah? Okay, then after that I'll pick a slightly darker color just for a bit of shading at the bottom. Because I like to highlight my eyelids this way. Like that, your eyes look bigger also. And then I will use this tool as my highlighter. Just like that. And then after that, I would use, if you want more glittery, you can actually pick up your hands and do it on your, it picks up more actually with your hand. So if you want very glittery eyeshadow, you can use your finger to pick it up. Ta-da! So it's pinkish tone, and then after that I will use my eyeliner. So I'll draw close to the lash line. Okay, I'm done with my eyeliner. So next, right, I'm going to apply my my blusher and my highlighter. So usually for highlighter, I will pick this kind of light tone for pinkish tone. So I'll highlight my nose. Okay, and then after that, right, I will use this blusher for pinkish tone, and then I'm so blessed. Yesterday I was at MAC, and then they have this new color. Look at the packaging. Da, 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 da. It's so nice, right? I'm a sucker for packaging. Okay, look at the packaging. Ayo, I really love this. Okay, and then so it's a highlighter for pinkish tone. So I told you I'm not a very blusher person, but I fall in love with this. So it gives you a very light tone, pinkish tone. You can use it as a blusher. So instantly it gives you that glow. Okay, so I really love the collection. Look at the packaging, it's so nice, right? I'm a sucker for all this packaging. Okay, good. Then after that, I would put my lipstick color. You can choose pinkish. You can use this color for a day look, for pink undertones. This is my day lipstick. Or if you're going on a hot date, you can actually change your color. This one is a lot of Korean favorite color for day look also. I'm going to change the color. So if you're going for a night out, you can choose this color. This one is more for night look. You can see it. So this one I choose for night look. Da, 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 da. So you can actually use it for day to night look of lipstick color. That's what I do if I go on a hot date or if I go on a night out with my girls. I will wear this color. Okay, so this is my skin tone. This is my color analysis makeup for cool tone. So if you want to attend my classes, please let me know and PM me. And for appointment and dates, just let me know when can I meet you, and we can do it at my office or I can do it at your home. Just let me know. So if you're interested to know more, just PM me for details. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!